This is a video of the Amiga A500. We're going to start with Amiga Workbench. I'm going to turn the power on. As you can see, the power is on. We're going to start her up. The little note cards you see next to the monitor are just to block some private information. I didn't feel like taking off the post-it notes. And there's Amiga DOS. I have this hooked up through VGA. As you can see, the mouse works fine. Let's start up Workbench. Let's go to the system to see if I can find out all the specs. Sorry, that's vacuum cleaner. So I'll go ahead and stop the recording.